You're extremely upset. And
Oh,
the
really,
thing is,
am
I
I?
would love to have a conversation
Oh,
with you.
really? I'm
I would
so
love to have a
upset.
conversation.
This is me with
But it
tears, is it?
seems that
Oh
lately, when
no,
I
I'm
come
so
on,
upset that
you just
Charles
start
has come
screaming
here
at
and
me.
used fallacious arguments to prove his bullshit religion. Oh no, I'm so upset. What will I do?
So Nathan, is it possible to have a conversation with you without you screaming?
Is it possible for you to have a conversation where you don't beg the question and presuppose your
Well,
outcome?
but I'm not begging the question because the last thing I would try to do is prove something that is unprovable.
So,
We could be in a
what's unprovable? Sorry, that was an interesting statement. What are you claiming is unprovable?
the shape of the Earth.
Really?
The
So what are you
shape.
doing here?
There is
What are you
no
doing here
scientific
then?
proof.
What are you doing here then?
The, I'm trying.
Why are you laughing at me? I'll ask it for a fourth time. What the hell are you doing here if you don't think it's possible to prove something that is taught in your school?
Well, but you have to understand the nature
Excuse
of
me,
scientific proof.
answer my question. Why are you teaching this shit to children if it can't be proven?
Well, first off, I teach math. Okay.
Sorry, do you ever
Um,
teach the sphericity of
and
Earth in your
Oh,
mathematics?
nice. I have
I do
Euclid's
not teach
elements here.
first.
What's your name? That math teacher?
Charles.
Charles. Nice to meet you. I have Euclid's elements right here.
Yes, I teach geometry. I teach algebra.
Right, so I'll ask it again. Now we've just got that established. Part of globe maths is using geometry, something that will be applied later in life if they believe they're on a sphere. So, Charles, I want to know why you tell your children this.
Oh, you're gonna love this, Nathan. My son draws pictures of the 9 planets. Yes, I count them 9 every single day. He draws pictures.
Pluto's
He's got
not a
Those are
planet.
lights in the sky.
And his
So what?
favorite
I can see
planet
lights. If
is-
my daughter painted pictures of the lights in the sky, I wouldn't be in the slightest bit concerned. What I'm asking specifically is why you tell your children they are on a sphere Earth when you have just declared to my audience, about 130 people, that you can't prove it.
Right, that's correct. I cannot prove it, but
So why do you
we
teach
are
it?
in a heliocentric.
Why do you
round,
teach it then?
round, Earth.
You're ignoring my question. Why is it you are telling children that the Earth is a sphere?
Because it is.
Sorry, you've just made it clear that you can't prove that.
Oh,
Charles,
absolutely.
you gotta be careful.
Sorry, I'm going to ask it again. Why are you telling children unproven nonsense?
Nothing is proven though, Nathan. We can't
Right,
prove
right.
anything.
Excuse
in
me, who
reality.
the hell was talking to you, Rumpus?
And Charles, we're basically in caveman ages right now. Like we're not accepting
Excuse me,
anything
Wiggles.
whatsoever as axiom.
Same thing. Is your name Charles? Why are you teaching unproven facts to children?
Because there are no proven facts.
Shut up, Rumpus, or I'll kick you out.
Fine, do so.
I will.
Yeah, fine.
But Nathan, I really want you to understand the nature of scientific proof.
I
is
understand
that
science.
scientific
I want
proof
to
does not
answer to
exist.
my question of why you are teaching unproven information to children.
Well, if it's true, then
It's
No,
not
I
true. We've
agree
just
with
established
Nathan that
that.
we
You
are
can't prove
teaching a lot
it.
of
We've just
bullshit to
established that.
children
Let's
in the
not
education
postulate if it's true when we've just established that you cannot prove it. I don't want to hear the if it's true argument. I want to know why you're teaching children something that is not proven. Why aren't you teaching them facts?
Because it's true.
It's not
because it's
true.
true. It's factual.
You've just established
It's
you
true.
can't prove it. You've just told the audience you can't prove
That's
it. This is not a
scientifically
proven
proven.
fact, is it?
Charles,
can't
you are doing
scientifically
an
prove
appeal to authority. I mean, you're appealing to the right authority. I'm not going to debate that for a second.
Excuse
But
me,
you are appealing
Wiggles.
to authority.
Sorry, Wiggles, shut up.
Nathan, this is unacceptable. You can't treat people like this.
I'll
It's
do what the hell I like, Dawn.
It's
I'm
insane.
asking Charles, an apparent teacher, why he teaches children unproven facts. That is what my question is, and I've got nothing but obfuscation of that question so far. I don't want to hear your obfuscation, Dawn, and I don't want to hear Wiggles' obfuscation. I want a direct question to why unproven facts are being taught to children by this man.
So these unproven facts are in fact true. Now,
That's nonsense. That is a double negative. An unproven fact cannot be true. It is unproven. So I keep asking the same question and you keep obfuscating it and dancing around it like it is true, like it is proven, like it is
So-
a
so
fact.
Nathan-
All I'm interested in
Nathan,
is why
I'm
you're
not-
teaching
not dancing around
nonsense,
anything.
unproven information to children. Why are you doing that? It is not proven. You have declared it.
Well, but it's true. So
Sorry, proven would be true. If there was proof of it, it would be true. I would accept it as true if there was proof. If you are to assert it is true, I want proof.
well, you could prove it to yourself, Nathan.
No. We've had 2,000 years of assertion of this taught to children by people like you. Now I want to know why 2,000 years of nonsense, unproven, you can go and prove it to yourself, facts are being taught as though they were true to children by people like you.
Well, do you have an alternative that is true?
Yeah, the alternative is you don't teach them things that are unproven. That is the alternative. You don't assert things to be true when they are not. You don't assert that things are proven when they are not. You only teach proven facts to children because they are useful. Unproven
Well,
nonsense is just a
So,
religion.
But Nathan, it looks like you don't understand the nature of scientific proof.
Yeah, I understand the scientific method. And if you have any scientific proof of the radius, for example, you would have already presented it
informally.
rather than talking over me and telling me I can go out and prove it to myself.
So informally, you could prove that the Earth is a globe.
I'm not
but
interested in what you... Why are you teaching informal facts, i.e. unproven facts, i.e. religious dogma, to children? Why am I having to ask this over and over again? Why?
Because it's true.
It's not. Unproven is not true. Do you not get it? What part of retarded are you? Unproven is not true, Charles. Why are you deluding yourself?